Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PlugShare filters to find the best fast chargers, full guide step by step clearly. To activate PlugShare filters and find the best fast chargers, start by launching the PlugShare app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the map view on the main screen. In the upper right corner, you will see a filter icon. Tap the filter icon to access the filter options available. You will see multiple categories related to charging stations. Select the option labeled Fast Charging to narrow down your search. Additionally, you can choose specific connector types that are compatible with your vehicle. Check any other relevant filters that match your charging preferences. After setting your desired filters, tap Apply to update the map view. The map will refresh, displaying only the fast chargers that meet your selected criteria. Take a moment to browse through the filtered results. Tap on a specific charging station to view more details. Here, you can see information such as the location, charging speeds, and availability. If you want to navigate to a selected charger, use the Directions feature. This ensures you get precise directions to your chosen fast charging station. Repeat this process whenever you're looking for fast chargers on the road. By utilizing the filters effectively, you can optimize your charging experience. Enjoy your time on the road with peace of mind knowing you found the best charging options available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.